This is about the 3D modeling about the villa design with the yoga deck overlooking the pool. Okay, so the first step, I prepare about the rectangle in here. Anyway, I sped up this video process into the 8 minutes approximately from the 30 minutes approximately. Okay, so this is about the rectangle in here, and I duplicate about the rectangle of 3D solid in here into the upper position, and I offset it inside into the several distance in here. And this is about the dimension about the villa design basic from the length and also the height of this villa. And I changed the background color into the blue color in here to make it more clear and representative appearance in here. So this is about the distance for every single space in here and every single height in here, and also height or the length. And I duplicate about the meshing in here to be L shape, and I place on the behind to make it more proper in here. And I make the corner window in here, and I make the diagonal wall in here. Okay, from this object in here. Okay, and after that I make the dimension in here. I put the dimension into this position in here. Okay, and after that I make the angular. I make the angular glass in here. This is the angular glass door and also window in here, and I make group and make the glazing materials in here. Okay, I adjust about the diagonal position and diagonal condition in here with the existing in here, and I make the dividers on this panel and into the several parts or several segment of this glass window. Okay, and after that I sign about the materials with the glass. Okay, and I put the materials, I put the corner window also in here, and put the diagonal solid walls in here to make it more modern look in here. Okay, and I make the duplicate about the angular glass wall and also window in here. Okay, and I adjust about the edge of this corner glazing in here, which I adjust with this position in here. Okay, just like this, and just place, and then I make it into the several segment in here. Okay, and after that I make the another base or landscaping in here. Okay, and I define, okay, I determine it into the swimming pool area in here. This is overflow swimming pool, and I make it to be a curve position of the swimming pool in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and I put the materials into the water materials in here. So this is about the water materials in here, and I move a little bit in here on the bottom in here. Okay, and after that I make the gutter in here. I make the gutter in here to be a overflow of this swimming pool, and I put the dimension in here. Okay, and after that I duplicate about the meshing in here into the upper position in here, and I duplicate this one. Okay, I just place this position in here, and I make the another meshing in here to be the carport or garage over there in here. Okay, and I move it into the upper position to make it more appropriate position with the sun shading in here. Okay, and after that I put the another slab in here, and make the different elevation in here, and also the garage door over there in here, just like this. Okay, and I put the vehicles in here to make the representative positioning of the car over there in here. Okay, and after that I make the another meshing in here with the rectangle in here, just like this. So this is the extra meshing in here with the simple box modeling over there. Okay, just like this. And okay, I make the line over there and transform about the wall into the glazing in here, and this is about the support column in here on the bottom over there. Okay, select this, and I put another materials in here to be the dark color materials over there in here. Okay, and after that I make the another additional meshing on the third floor in here, and this is about the canopy. Okay, and I make the cylinder column in here over there. Okay, just like this. Okay, and after that I put the dark color over there and transform into the glazing, segmented glazing in here. And this is about the how I make the railing on the rooftop in here. I give a thickness about it and push it up in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and push it down in here and double click and make group. Okay, just place to the position in here and click and just place to the position in here. Okay, and after that I make the another one. Okay, just place I make the decking for the yoga. Okay, this is the full decking of the yoga, and I put the materials of the wall of this villa in here. Okay, and after that I put the materials over there. I put the landscape materials in here, and I draw the greenery landscape in here to make it more natural. And I put the several components like outdoor dining and the tree in here. Okay, and after that I make the another landscaping over there in here, additional landscaping and the additional tree placement in here. Okay, and after that I modify and move the car position and the garage or position in here. Okay, and after that I make the plants in here. I make the plants over there on the position and just duplicate the plants until it to be a natural placement in here. Okay, and after that I set up about the camera to be the field of view, add more field of view of the camera in here. Okay, and just place the position in here. Okay, and after that this is about the final look in here, simple basic the final look of the villa in here. Okay, so this is about the design. Okay, this is about the dimension of this villa, and also the decking, the yoga decking, and also the swimming pool. So the villa has a cantilever concept in here with a large decking area over there in here, and it has the ramp or access from the landscaping from the ground landscape for the first level ground landscape in here to be another level of the landscape in here. Okay, and after that I make the another dimension. Okay, so this is about the another dimension to make it more clear and enough in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, and have a good day everyone.